Today's house we love is one which we've already shared in our weekly emails, but it has just had a price reduction and is now on the market for an absolutely incredible €16,000. If you're buying in Italy for the first time, please be sure to budget at least another €7,000 to €8,000 for the realtor's commission, notary services, taxes, and other miscellaneous fees for this purchase. Many charge a flat minimum on lower-priced homes like this to make selling them worthwhile. It pretty much goes without saying this would make a great starter home or summer retreat for someone not planning to live in Italy full-time. This charming two-level cottage was renovated in 2000 and has a wood-burning fireplace, one big bedroom and an external bathroom house. There is also a sweet garden to relax in the sunshine or to start a vegetable garden. For an extra €500, the furniture pictured can be included. It's near the picturesque village of Barge, which has a population of about 8,000 and is known for its narrow streets, historic buildings, and vibrant local culture. This area is popular with second homeowners, and this home has some nice views of the surrounding hills. The nearest hospitals and international airports are in Cuneo and Turin, which are both just about an hour away by car in different directions. If you're looking to live in a beautiful, natural setting within close proximity to endless outdoor activities, delicious artisanal food, and a rich winemaking culture, this might be the one for you. But at this price, it might not last long, so if you're seriously interested, there's a link to the realtor's original listing and contact information in the video notes below. And if you do end up buying it, please let us know so we can be sure to congratulate you.